I was sent this Gooseneck work light with a magnetic adjustment to try out. So let's open it up here. So you can see it's Gooseneck. This is the magnetic part. Okay, it's battery operated. You can see it looks like AAA batteries. So I'm gonna take off that piece. So the batteries are already loaded in there, which is nice. Oh, and it already works. So that's really bright. Let's just test out the magnet. Work a lot in my garage. You can see it can attach to anything that is metal, and the Gooseneck allows you to rotate it however you need to. So it's a really nice bright light. This is just the on-off button right here. I do like, honestly, that it has batteries, because then you can, just switch out the battery. You don't have to wait for a charge. So that is going to be super handy. So check it out.